Hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to another tutorial of DevStar. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to install Codeigniter4 using your phone. So basically, if you think you don't have phones, you don't have PC now, you can move on with your Codeigniter. That is a bullshit. You can actually work with Codeigniter on your phone. Alright, to do that, let's get started by opening our Chrome. So I'm going to open Chrome. So the first thing we need to do is install Composer, and I'm sure you know how to do this because if you watch my previous video on installing Laravel on your phone, you would have actually understand how to install Composer. So before that, let's just go ahead and open Composer. So installation here. No, this is Codeigniter. Sorry, let's go ahead and open Composer. Okay, so let's start open up. So we'll be following the Linux view of installing Composer on the phone. So let's wait for this to load up, and this is taking forever. Okay, so go ahead and click on downloads. Okay, so once that's opened up, just go ahead and copy everything in this place. Just go ahead and copy everything. Okay, so before this can work, you have to make sure you have PHP installed. So we are going to use Termux. So you have to make sure you have PHP installed on Termux. If you want to install PHP, you can go ahead and do pkg install PHP or apt install PHP. I know that works there. I can't actually remember very well. Go ahead and just paste this and hit enter. Yeah, this is gonna install Composer for us. So let's wait for that to set up. Right now you can see that we have it installed already. Now they said to us to be able to use it, you just have to call php composer.phar. Alright, so let's verify. Let's do ls. Now you can see we have composer.phar there. I'm just gonna clear this and I'm gonna acquire lock here so that this won't close when I'm busy doing the other stuff. Okay, good. So now since that is installed already, let's go ahead and go to Codeigniter. Okay, so I'm moving to their official documentation. You can find that documentation on their website. Okay, so let's wait for that to open up. Okay, so now I'm at this level that says Composer installation. Alright, so just go ahead and go there. So basically, you can't actually install Codeigniter globally. You can just create a project using Composer. I'm just gonna copy this. So you're gonna create a sample project. So let's go and copy this. Let's go back to this place. Alright, once I'm here, I'm going to be using the Arcas keyboard so I can move around. I'm gonna rotate this again. I'm gonna then go ahead and paste this. So once that is that, let's delete this and let's call this sample. You can call it anything you want. So I'm just gonna go to the front of the Composer. Before that, let's do yeah, I should have not have entered. Oh god, let's go ahead and paste this again. Sorry. Okay, let's delete this and make this sample. Okay, let's go to this place and do .phar. Then the front, let's do PHP Composer. So let's run this. So you can see now this has started creating our project for us. Alright, so let's just wait for this to finish up. So there it is. You can see Codeigniter has finished installing. So you can just go ahead and clear this. So let's cd into the sample. So we can go ahead and just PHP Spark SAP. So once you run this, you can see it has started our local. Alright, so once the server has started, you can just go ahead and copy the port here. So this localhost 8000. I'm just gonna copy this. Go to the browser. Let's go ahead and just paste this here. And we should run it now. You can see you have Codeigniter installed successfully on your phone. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.